Hi, my name's Jacob Shoemaker. I'm a glass artist and entrepreneur based out of not-so-sunny Seattle. My lifetime obsession with glass has dominated my creative journey and given way to Luvia, the first all-glass countertop water filtration pitcher. Every other filtration pitcher on the market today utilizes plastic in one form or another. Everyone knows plastic is bad for the environment, and according to the UN, the world produces over 400 million tons of plastic waste every year. Emerging science shows that plastic pitchers marketed as BPA-free actually contain different forms of BPA that are just as unhealthy. Not to mention, these plastic pitchers are poorly designed and don't always match the quality of other items in our homes. The solution is glass. Glass is produced from silica sand, one of the planet's most abundant resources, making it a far more responsible choice than plastic. It's also completely inert, meaning it doesn't leach unwanted compounds into your drinking water. As a glass artist, glass has always given me a sense of wonder. It's a solid yet transparent. There's just something magical about it. The way people handle glass with respect and care is a testament to its beauty and value. Luvia is made of 3mm borosilicate, an extremely durable, scratch and chemical resistant glass produced in Germany. We're also proud to introduce our simple and effective KDF sponge filter, made of carbon atoms attached to woven polyethylene and infused with silver nitrate for added sterilization. Not only is our filter on par with our competitors, it utilizes a fraction of the resources to produce, making it a far more eco-friendly solution. Finally, our bamboo lid is water-resistant and sustainably sourced. It also has a silicone seal to prevent unwanted particles from contaminating your drinking water. For the last 6 years, I've traveled the world working with scientific glassblowers to bring to market a functional product with a thoughtful design. This product pushes the limits of consumer glass manufacturing and utilizes the skills of master European craftsmen. Along the way, I've been fortunate enough to team up with an amazing group of creatives to bring this dream to life. Together, we envision a future in which sustainability is valued over convenience. Now we need your help. Join us on our journey by pledging today.